Hey there, classic car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Americana Classics, your go-to channel for all things vintage wheels and timeless rides. Today, we've got a lineup that'll make any car lover's heart skip a beat. Let's dive into the details, shall we? First up, we've got a stunning 1952 Kaiser Manhattan Tor sedan from Peoria, Arizona, with its sleek blue exterior and clean 6-cylinder engine. This beauty is ready to hit the open road for just $13,500. Next, we've got a true classic with a modern twist, the 1958 Thunderbird Resta model. Sporting a powerful 4.6-liter engine and a smooth automatic transmission. This black beauty is a steal at $13,000. It may need a little TLC on the interior and paint, but trust me, the performance more than makes up for it. Moving right along, we've got a timeless icon, the 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air 150 with its reliable 350 engine. For speed manual transmission and solid suspension, this Chevy is a dream to drive. Priced at $14,500, it's a true classic that's built to last. And speaking of classics, check out this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Sedan straight from Oahu, Hawaii. With its original V8 engine and turbo 350 transmission, this survivor is a rare find indeed. Sure, it may have a bit of surface rust and flaking chrome, but underneath it all, it's got the heart of a champion, all yours for just $12,500. Now, let's take a look at this piece of Ford history, the 1953 Ford Custom Line. With its flathead V8 engine and manual transmission, this red beauty is a true classic. Sure, it may need a little electrical work, but with its solid body and recent brake upgrades, it's ready for a new adventure, and at just $6,000, it's a steal of a deal. Up next, we've got a real gem, the 1952 Studebaker Starlight Coupe with its V8 engine, manual transmission, and classic blue paint job. This Studebaker is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Plus, with recent upgrades like a new alternator and tires, it's ready to hit the road for just $7,000. Last but not least, we've got a true American classic, the 1951 Packard 150 Mayfair. With its upgraded V8 engine and OD transmission, this Packer is a real head-turner. Sure, it may have a few dents and dings, but that just adds to its charm, and with all new brakes, tires, and exhaust, it's ready to hit the road for just $11,300. Well folks, there you have it. 7 incredible classics just waiting for a new owner to take them home. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vintage car content. Until next time, keep on cruising with Americana Classics. Happy motoring, y'all!